Hello, my name is John Pinnock, an Electrolux brand ambassador. Welcome to Laundry City, Maryland's only 5-star laundromat. My first interest in the laundromat business, the very first interest before I started diving in it as deeply as I did with Chris, was as a child growing up in Jamaica. I was very familiar with the Electrolux brand. So that experience, coupled with the fact that it was a business opportunity, made the laundry business very intriguing to me.
So it was 4 years ago that John came to me and said, Chris, what do you think about the laundry business? Of course, I told him I thought it was crazy. That's because the only thing I could think about is, running around and collecting coins from machines. And of course, John was very serious about it. We sat down, we took a look at it, did a lot of analysis, and we decided it would be a good business to get into.
So yes, I was serious, but when I saw what he was doing with the spreadsheet and the projections and everything, it made it even more interesting and exciting for me.
It turned out to be a really good match because we sort of come at this business from different approaches. John's business experience and business acumen, my background is in engineering, and so I come at it from a technology perspective. We're in this business long term, and we'd like to know that our vendor partner is forward thinking. If you look at the way we've done our stores, we embrace technology, and technology not just for the sake of technology, but really to improve process and to improve lives. Marrying the two skill sets, we thought we could really put together a product, a service for customers, that would be second to none, and I think we've done that.
The support that we've received from Laundrylux has been phenomenal, and in dealing with the company for the past 3 years, we are made to feel as if we're a family, and so many different levels. And as we move forward with more and bigger ventures, this partnership, I think, is going to make a significant difference in the success of our business and hopefully Laundrylux's business as well. As far as we know, in the Baltimore area and possibly in Maryland, we're the only laundromat that has provided over 400 square feet of space for our customers to wait while their clothes are being washed. We have about 300 square feet of space dedicated just to kids. We consider ourselves a five-star laundromat, and our customers keep on telling us that, we are a 5-star facility. So how was your experience?
This place is very nice.
It's your first time, right?
It's my first time.
Okay. In our mind, we need to give the customers more than just washing machines and dryers. We wanted them to come here and have an experience that encourages them to come back week after week. So 5-star means a lot to us. It's not just a slogan. It's something that, when a customer leaves here, we want them to think that, they were very well treated. So do you like coming to Laundry City? You do? You like it? Good.
Tell them about the shuttle. What about you like the shuttle?
If you call for a shuttle service, we guarantee that we'll be there within a half an hour. You don't need to make any reservation. We just have that shuttle running around, from 9 in the morning until 10 at night. And our drivers not only pick you up, but all the drivers are trained to pick the bags up for the customers and take them into the store. So 5-star is really 5-star at Laundry City. We have almost 300 washers and dryers, and we keep them extremely clean, and we polish them every night. Another thing we do here is text wash and go service. What that does is the machine will automatically send them a text 5 to 10 minutes before the load is finished. Ever since we opened, one of the amenities that we were determined to have was the Wi-Fi service. And we have found that to be very helpful, especially in a community like this where there are lots of people who are not able to afford broadband service. Laundry City revolutionize the laundry business. And as we've said, we want to be a part of the community. And if we can do something to help, then that brings great joy to us. We just feel like if someone walks into this facility, they will have no need to want to go anywhere else.